In this video, you will see how I'm struggling to insert the bearings in those holes. Normally, they should fit straight into the holes, and because we are 3D printing this model, suffers from some refraction. If you stay till the end of the video, you will know the secret how I succeeded in inserting those stubborn bearings in those holes. After trying all what I have in my hands to get them inside, I finally had an idea of warming a little bit the plastic, soften it a little bit, and then try to insert the bearings. And that's what I did. And at the end, I succeeded in inserting those bearings in those holes, but still I created a small fracture in one of the holes. We will have to fix it in future videos. If you like the idea of building a robot arm from scratch, like, share, comment, subscribe to not miss the updates. Goodbye and see you next time.